Good evening, dignitaries. I am Arsu, a student of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sunderbani, R.O. Jammu. Today, I am here to present my views on the e-learning app named STEPapp. STEPapp, to delve in, is a remarkable app as it covers all the pivotal sections under a particular chapter. If one has gone through all the videos under a particular module, he or she can excel in it. Secondly, as humans, our mind understands in a better manner when taught through visuals. Same application is seen in this app as along with the theory part, there are specific videos which explain the entire thing visually. Hence, visualization comes into force. So, constant testing is done at various intervals with interesting quizzes, which makes the learning of the pupil more efficient. The app could have been more efficient if there was access for doubt clearing too. At the same time, it would have been more convenient to use if all the users, at least of the same batch, could communicate with each other and could have group sessions. Rest all is satisfactory in my opinion. Thank you for the attention.